Subway Surfers is back, 2.21.1 version. You can see all the way down there, I think. Okay. So this is Subway Surfers. I'm back playing Subway Surfers. It's been a really long time, but I'm finally back. So this is looking different, and that's also looking different. Let me spend my keys. That's what I do. Okay, let's go to shop, store, watch ad, and get the daily gift. That's what changed. That's what I've changed. What has changed? So let's just get started. Head start score boosters. Let's go. Okay, already over 100,000, 120,000. Oh, okay, 130,000. Okay. I don't know why it took so long to upload the Subway Surfers video. I don't like right. I'm literally playing when this Mumbai update came out, but I forgot that I recorded this video, and now I'm just publishing the video after realizing that I made this video. What? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So let's just keep going. Okay. What? I freaking jumped. What? Okay. That didn't make any sense. Let's do that and that. Okay. So let's change our character to Jay. But I think I said that right. On what board should I go with? I don't even know. I think I should go with bamboo board. Okay. Head starts, score boosters. Okay, that was weird. Already over 100k. Let's try to collect no coins in this one run. Oh, wait, I've already collected before. Okay, let's just keep going. Head starts, score boosters. I try to make my videos funny and funnier. Okay. wait. What? Okay. I turned. I literally turned. Okay, I don't know why the game didn't turn my character, Jay. I don't know why the game didn't turn Jay. Okay. 10 coins right off the bat. 30, 42. Okay. What? I freaking jumped. I missed that. Izzy Z or Z. Okay. Okay. What? I freaking turned. Okay. I'm turning and the game's not turning J. Oh. Okay. I'm being a pro, but the game is being a glitchy mess. What? Okay. Not really. No, okay. Ooh, why? Yay! I completed the easy word hunt. I completed it. Coin. I also got the coin meter reward. That was an unexpected glitch. That was an unexpected glitch. Wait, I accidentally slided instead of jumping. Okay, let's do that. Oh, okay. Yes, I'm still playing Subway Surfers in my mobile. I'm still playing Subway Surfers in portrait mode. Uh, I don't even want to. Right now, I'm too lazy to install the rotation control. That's how lazy I am. I'm too lazy to install an app. I can't even buy the full version of it because I'm a kid. I have money, but I have no money in my bank account. Kidding. I don't have any bank account. I have my own wallet, but no. I was kidding. I don't have wallet. I don't even have any wallet. I don't. I don't know why I always say that stuff when I don't even have stuff. I say that I have it, and then I say kidding. I don't know why I do that, but that's okay. It's my channel. I can do whatever I want. Don't unsubscribe. Speaking about unsubscribe, please subscribe the channel. I'm going to do a Q&A video on 50 subscribers. So please subscribe the channel and write the Write the questions in the comment section of the video that I would make of when I'm getting close to 50 subscribers. So comment. I'm pretty sure I just spit it on my screen accidentally. Okay. I accidentally spit it on my screen. That was disgusting. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going until we complete this run. Yeah. So the reason why I'm back with Subway Surfers, so you might be thinking that if I would have been back in the previous Tokyo update, I made shorts, but you guys weren't that satisfied, I think. And the last Subway Surfers full video I released, no, not that Tokyo update, my trailer. The last Subway Surfers video I released, the full video, I uploaded that video over 1 month ago, and I haven't still played Talking Tom Gold Run. I don't even play the game that much right now. That's how bored I am with Talking Tom Gold Run. I play Roblox every day. I also play Subway Surfers every day. But I don't know why I wasn't uploading Subway Surfers videos. So in my most recent upload, the Roblox season 2 upload, someone commented that when am I going to play Subway Surfers. So here you go, Shreyansh Mishra. I think I said your name right. Okay. So I'm about to hit 1 million points after a really long time. But my high score is 81 million. That's how much I've played since the last time I made the full video. What? Okay. And also, if you guys didn't see my social studies PBD video, just quickly go check it out. I think that was the best video I made on my channel. Okay. Actually, my second most popular video on my channel is Subway Surfers Paris update trailer. 168 views. Yes, I actually reacted to it. And then I thought, you know what? I should make my own trailer of the Tokyo update. I still haven't released the Mumbai update one, which would be coming out soon. Yes, it would be coming out soon. And I've been uploading Minecraft videos, Minecraft Roblox videos. Okay. All the work that I did in Roblox games was gone. Like all the hard work that I did in Strongman Simulator. The game literally called me the mountain, and I had like almost 50 kill parts in a Roblox Tower of Hell. Almost. Look, I just hit 1,000,000 points. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to top my top run contest leaderboard. I haven't done that in a couple weeks, or maybe over 1 month. I don't even remember now. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, I didn't upload any Subway Surfers videos. I don't know why I'm saying this thing at all at right now. But now the Subway Surfers videos might come regularly. I still have to plan because I have my school classes and my coding classes and my maths classes. I have a lot of classes. And I play Power Wash Simulator. But when I did the Power Wash Simulator live stream, the live stream got copywritten striked, and then I was afraid to live stream again or make a video, so I just play Power Wash offline, like when I'm not recording. But I do upload Minecraft videos, that's on my PC, and I try to improve some stuff. Like in Skyblock, I have made it to the next phase, the ocean phase. Did I do that? Did I do that? Did I do that in my most recent Minecraft Skyblock video? I even I freaking forgot that. Did I get to the next phase in the last episode of Minecraft Skyblock? And also guys, if you enjoy my content and want to see more, please hit the like button on my videos and hit the subscribe button with the notification bell on. Thank you. That was an important announcement that I wanted to make. Okay. The reason why I wasn't uploading Subway Surfers videos was like I didn't even knew that what kind of Subway Surfers video I should upload, like what I should do in that Subway Surfers video. And then finally I had an idea, and then I'm making this video. But yeah. Okay, officially I did it. 6,000 coins. Yes. I have like 68,000 boards. Okay. One day I want my Roblox to glitch and give me Robux. Wait, there's actually a gift card on Amazon which would let you get a ton of Robux. But it's of dollars. I just want a $2,000, 2,000 Robux gift card. But it's like $20, $20 in Indian rupees. I don't even know. I'm in third class, and my rupees and US dollars, Indian rupees and my rupees and Indian my rupees and dollars calculations are not very good. I can tell that how much $2 costs. $2 cost in Indian rupees. Simple. 72 plus 72. 144. Yeah, I can even do. I can just do till 72. $5 in Indian rupees. We just need to 72 plus 72 plus. We just need to do like 72 plus 72 plus 72 plus 72. Yeah, that's the only thing I know. That's the only thing I can do. What? Okay. I don't think my commentary is making too much sense. Okay. Okay, I've hit 7,000 coins. I officially did it. Oh, I didn't even notice my score. I'm over I'm over 1.5 million. And I didn't even notice. Okay. Let's just keep going. Oh, wait, I missed that magnet. Okay. I accidentally missed that magnet. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's a jetpack, but nah, I don't need it. Because I ate chicken lasagna. That's a really silly reason. And I actually ate chicken lasagna made by my father yesterday in dinner. I always rate his food and I always give him infinite out of 10. My grandmother 1 centillion out of 10. Yes, that's actually a real number. I didn't even knew that this number even existed until today. And then my Mossy's food, I rate it. I always give it like 1 something quadrillion, or no, it's 288 sextillion. Yes, I just went with a random one. And yeah, those are my number ratings. I always give them more than 10. That's what I always do. And guys, there's a new SUV car coming soon, XUV 700. When my father will buy that car and we are going back to home, I would just lie down on like the last row, the third row of XUV 700. But first we have to wait until that car comes out. I hope it comes by the end of August. I don't think so. It would come by the end of August. Okay. If you guys want that I should make like a car talking video, let me know in the comments. Okay. Let's just keep going. Oh, I'm almost at 2 million. Nice. And right now I haven't used key saves in a while, but I actually crashed with the hoverboard, but I won't include that as a crash because I didn't have to pay a key or just lose keys or wait, I forgot what we say that. Okay, I didn't pay keys. I don't think that made sense. I haven't played Subway Surfers in too long that I even forget. Yes, I forget a lot of stuff. Ah. I knew it. But let's go. 2 mil. I hit 2 million. I don't know why I said 2 mil, but that's okay. Ooh, I got way past 2 million. I got to 2.11 million. Alright, now I think I should crash. Wait, no. I think I should have crashed there. Let's go. Mystery box number 1. coins. Number 2, coins. Just that was it. Okay, wait, let's go here, and let's do that. I claimed both of them at the same time. Okay, so now I have 7,000 event coins. So I'm gonna end this video here. For how much time I have been recording, I'll always check that. 20 minutes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and hit the notification bell, and I will see all of you in the next video. And always thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.